Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Today we're going to look at adding an image to a Microsoft Word document in such a way as the image is actually going to appear over the bottom of the document. I want my image to be at the bottom of the page. Not quite as easy as it might otherwise be. So I'm ready to go and find my image. I'm going to choose Insert and then Picture. I'm going to use a stock image. I'm just typing in Office Meeting and I'm going to grab an image to use. So I'm going to use this one here and insert it in the document. Now the process that we're using is going to be the same regardless of where your images come from. So the fact that I'm using a stock image, it would be the same if I inserted my image, for example, from my disk. Now my image has gone on to the second page of the document. I actually want it to be up on the first page, so I'm just moving it up here. I'm going to make it a bit larger, so I'm just going to stretch it. And you can see that it's starting to jump around and it's really not working at all. I can't make it any larger and it's also jumping into weird places. And the reason for this is that by default, Microsoft Word inserts images in what's called inline with text. It treats it as if it was just a text character. Now that's not going to work for us in a big way. So there's two options that we could use. We could use this option here, which is behind text, or we could use in front of text. And these two are going to allow us to put our image wherever we want on the page. I'm just going to use behind text. Doesn't really matter which. And now I can move my image to the bottom of the page and it's not being flipped onto the next page. And I can also size it. So it can go margin width, for example. Now, if I don't want it to be quite as big as it is, then the Picture Format tab has options for my image. I'm just going to crop the top off it because I think there's a lot of image there and I don't really need it. So I'm just going to crop the top off, click on crop again. And now I have an image across the bottom of my document. But again, it's really important that in terms of the wrap text options, that you don't use inline with text, which is the default option in Microsoft Word, but you use one of these two, behind text or in front of text. Use one of those two and your image can be put wherever you like, including at the very bottom of the page, which is technically in the footer area, but that's not going to affect this document at all. If you like carefully researched content like this, clearly presented in a step-by-step format so that you can get great results every time, then you'll love my other YouTube videos. So give this video a thumbs up and click to subscribe to the channel. And on the screen now, you'll see a video that I've handpicked for you to watch next.